Okay, guys, Marty, Shia, did you guys want to play? Huh? See, when I say play, he likes to play. You dance? Good dance? You want to dance? Good dance? Go on, dance. Uh-oh, he wants to play. Dance, dance, dance. Come on, dance, dance. Look at the guy. Look at the guy. Later he will be dancing. Huh? Okay. It is a sock with a ball. Marty likes to play. Get it, Marty! Get it! Look at that, they tore it. This is a recyclable couch, a pillow. So I'll have to put it there. Okay, get it, Marty. Shia, you get that from Marty. Where's your toy, Marty? Someone get your toy? Where's your toy? Shia got your toy right there. Shia got your toy. Okay, get it. Get it, Shia, get it, Shia. Get it. He wants the other toy. He knows this is a cheap toy. He really do bark. See, he doesn't want this because it's cheap toy. It's just a socks and a tennis ball. He wants the real toy. Look at Shia. He wants this. Yee! This gal right here. It's not picky. You dance? Let me see. Dance? You want to dance? Marty, what are you barking for? Oh, he wants the toy. He's got his toy hanging up. See the way he looks? Where's your toy? Go find your toy up. Where's your toy up, Mark? Go up. Go up your toy right there. Look at Shia. See, he enjoys that. Look at that. Get it, Shia. What you doing there, Shia? Get it, Shia. See? Marty, look at Shia. He's enjoying his toy. I make that toy. You like Shia. You like that chump. You chump. You like to chump that thing. Shia, hurry up because I'm gonna vacuum all this. Oh, you understand? Yeah, you understand what I'm saying here. What's that, Shia? Is that tennis ball? Oh, you want to get that tennis ball. Now it's Marty's turn. There you go, Marty. I'll buy you a new toy later. Okay? I'll buy you a toy. I'm allowed to go to the store because it's necessary stuff. You gonna get it? I'm gonna get it, Marty. Gonna get it, Marty. Gonna get it, Marty. And get it, Marty. And get it, Marty. And get it, Marty. I'm gonna get it, Marty. What happened to your brown toy? The bear toy. It's a Santa Claus. Or you like the socks? Shia, come over here, Shia. Shia, Shia, Shia. Shia, would you like a massage, Shia? Shia. She this is their bed in the other living room. This is their living room right here. There's one upstairs, and this is the one downstairs. Their bed is this huge bed. Huh, Shia? What's the matter, Shia? You tired? Huh? You tired? You tired? Yeah. Dance? You wanna dance? Dance. Boy, you're jumping all that. Get it. This one. You're eating that. Okay, I'm back. Okay, you want a massage, bud? Okay, baby. The massage? Look at this guy. You want a massage, bud? Kiss, kiss, kiss. Good boy. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Good boy. You kiss, kiss, huh? Get a massage? Yeah. She likes a massage on his face. Ooh, the massage, bud. Ooh. Look at your brother right here. He's busy. Marty is likes to play with his toy, and this gal right here wants a massage. Lay down, lay down, lay down. Good boy. He's a good boy. He's gonna lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Yeah. He wants to scratch all the way like that. Look at his teeth. He's got healthy teeth right here. See? He's got healthy teeth. He's got healthy teeth. No fleas or nothing. I mean, occasionally they have fleas, but taking care of them and have a good. See, he likes massage. Look at that. He just like massage. He can get to sleep. Look at the other pumpkin. Busy. Yeah.